Hey guys, how are we doing? This is the start of a new vlog. I have on last night's makeup. It's a really long story. Well, it's not that long. I started filming a video last night, or I was in the midst of the end of a video. Weird, I know. I went to sleep with the makeup on because I used to watch the Tyra Banks show when I was a kid with my mom. We used to watch it, and Tyra said this one thing once that was pretty groundbreaking and revolutionary. She said that since she's a model and she goes to photo shoots and she gets her makeup done professionally, if she has something to do the very next morning, she'll wear the makeup from the photo shoot to sleep, and she'll wake up and just like touch it up a little bit and blot her face and just go on about like her appointment. So I tried that last night. I figured what better time than now to do it, because I really didn't want to do my makeup again like at night and then again in the morning, especially when I'm just trying to continue last night's video. So I hope the lighting from this new camera and this new lighting system is looking amazing. So far in the viewfinder, it looks so good. I can't believe it, and I'm so happy about it. I'm gonna be doing a video regarding the Sony ZV-1 and the Lume Cube Panel Go lighting that I brought last week, and I'm just so excited about it to make my YouTube content just so much more beautiful and aesthetic and brighter and richer in color and easier to watch and all that good stuff that my wonderful, amazing viewers and subscribers deserve. And I also need, for this new Sony ZV-1 camera, a like portable battery. I think that's what it's called. Basically, I need extra batteries. I already knew this when I purchased it, that this has a very short battery life, under an hour. So if I'm recording or messing with the settings, or if I have the camera on for any reason for an hour collectively, the battery is already shot to hell. So anyway, yeah, but it's gonna be worth it because it looks so beautiful and so crisp and bright already, and I'm so excited to see what this vlog looks like. Actually, we're gonna clean up. I'm gonna finish the video that I'm telling you guys about, and then we're gonna head out, baby. So I'm about to change my phone case out. Today I have on, I don't know which one I want to do yet today. I think which one, I normally switch them out based on which one I've been using most recently. So I just grabbed the top stack, all Wildflower cases. If you know, I do a lot of Wildflower videos. Check them out if you haven't seen them yet, or if that is where you are here from. Thank you so much for giving my vlogs a chance. No, I've done both of these ones recently, so I think I'm gonna do, no, not the Pisces case, not today. I don't know, I just don't know. So I have this case for this exact reason when I'm feeling indecisive. So we're gonna switch from this to this. Cute. All right, beautiful. And just to make sure everything is nice and good and sanitized, I normally take these wipes that I got from Target, sanitizing alcohol wipes, yeah. So I take those and wipe down my phone. Do a little buff, a little this, a little that, and the case looks good as new, and it has a little shine to it too. My eyes are looking so puffy today. I didn't sleep well last night. Yeah, I have some hereditary puffiness. That's a story for another time. But this story for today is a little bit of like a gentle massage under the eyes. I have a jade roller that I normally use, but I have makeup on, so that will disrupt the makeup. Just a cute little gentle, this looks so weird. Oh, it feels nice. Just a little like pressing in, pressing out. I think that should help with the puffiness. So I found something cute to watch on YouTube while we tidy up, so let's get to it. Yeah, yeah.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't.
So makeup is touched up. Dog is trying to play with me. And I'm gonna make a little snack. I also just took some selfies. Follow me on Instagram. I will put it right here. So I'm sitting on the floor for some reason unbeknownst to myself. I have no idea why I'm down here. I think it was because I was checking to see how charged up the camera is. I told you this thing dies really fast. Okay, I'll throw the ball. You don't have to act all wild. Let's make something to eat. I'm starving. You a little congested? Yes. Yes.
Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
How, like, it gives like we're powerful. If Trump would have won, it would seem like we're powerful, you guys. I don't.
Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's for
I'm about to have a little snack because dinner is taking too long, or lunch, or whatever it is. Dinner, lunch, you know, early dinner. Taking way too long, so graham cracker time. Good stuff. They're not just for kids.
My whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you.
I just got off the phone with my mom. She saw my Aritzia video and she was so in love with everything I got. She got like several Aritzia pieces herself. As you can see, my face is super oily. Oh, so to wrap that up, I was online shopping with my mom. She lives in California. I live in New York City, so she's in a totally different time zone. It was still pretty early where she is. Where I am, I was just being like a night zombie. So anyway, as you can see, I have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundation on. That's why my skin is literally glowing out the bando. Like, it's really, this is ridiculously oily, but it's all good. We're about to take it off, but at last. You guys saw me touch it up earlier this afternoon. It still looks pretty good. I could keep going for another 24 hours, but that is even sicker than wearing it. 48 hours is even sicker than wearing it for 24 hours, so we're not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm gonna take this makeup off, take a shower, and get ready for bed because I'm so tired. As you can see, I'm struggling to keep my eyes open, but I want to refresh. Obviously, after wearing this makeup for 24 hours, I want to refresh myself. And it's actively snowing at 3 a.m. It looks so pretty outside of this window. I might go outside and get some footage for you guys because it is just so pretty. It doesn't snow enough in New York City. You would think it does, but it really doesn't. I just took you guys outside and did a few close-up shots of the snow. I didn't want it to be too close for all my stalkers. If you've lived a little bit, you know, we all have at least one stalker, am I right? If we're problematic. We all have at least one stalker as problematic chicks. Little chickadee. The kitchen is a tiny little bit of a mess right now, so don't mind that. We have La Fernia, the fern. She sucks up a lot of water and I'm not exactly sure why. I have to water this thing almost every day and it gets like this. Super dry. And then I'm gonna trim Rattle. I don't know. This one doesn't really have a name. Rattlesnake. It's not doing so hot. It only has 2 good leaves and even the 2 good ones are not that good. Isn't she so green? Floods with water. Let the water drip out of La Fernia. I haven't trimmed a plant in so long. I kind of forgot how to do this. This is it, poor thing. It's down to 1 good leaf and 1 newer one. This is what's dead. This is what I'm throwing away. Let's put these plants up and then time for some coffee and jade rolling this puffiness out of my face. This poor thing is almost dead. I really hope that we can revive her life. La Fernia's tray kind of collects a lot of water, so let's dump that. Come on, La Fernia. Come on, old girl.
Afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose.
I just choose whichever ones look most dim. It's gonna be this one. So I've turned my filming light off. This is when the battery is dying, and this is when it's brand new, fresh, recharged. Huge difference. This is them, rechargeable batteries from Amazon. You just pop them in like this. Voila, amazing. And I have 2 of them and I probably need 2 more because this is not enough. I'm about to jade roll my face while we watch some YouTube and drink our coffee. I like to spray the Thayer's Witch Mist. What? Thayer's Facial Mist Witch Hazel. So you need to spray something on your face before you jade roll. If not, you're going to be pulling your face in a mini micro way. You really don't want to pull your skin at all because the point of jade rolling is to make yourself smooth. So it's not to give yourself wrinkles. So put something on your face, something to make it slick so that when you're rolling, it just glides. It doesn't pull. I put the jade roller in the freezer, so if you're able to do that where you live, I would highly recommend.
No more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah.
I'm trying to show the vlog. So guys, he is, hold on. Hold on, cutie. I'm giving I'm giving him his his medication that he takes. He's been taking this medication every 12 hours for the last 5 years, and he has to take it for the rest of his life. It's a lifelong medication. He is epileptic, that's honey, and he refuses to take yes, he refuses to take it without honey. Okay. I like shopping in person sometimes, you guys. I know everything is digital now, but don't you just miss that amazing feeling of just going into a store and getting what you need and taking it home and playing with it? You can't really do that when we live in such a digital world and everything is like purchased online these days. So yeah, hopefully you can get that instant gratification. I'm only getting things that I need. I'm currently waiting for the bus to go to Sephora, so yeah. Ooh, I see it coming. It's on the way, so we should be there soon and we should be shopping soon. When we're on the bus, I'm going to set up a one-time card with Klarna because that's how I plan on paying for my Sephora purchase.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb.
Alright guys, so I'm here, but I'm gonna have to hurry up, unfortunately, because I only have like 10 minutes before they close.
I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me.
Alright, we are back home. That was quick but fun. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Quick little haul. First thing is first, my hair vitamins. These have a ton of biotin in them. The recommended daily value of biotin and other ingredients that are great for hair growth. What I'm most excited about, I've been using this stuff for years and it's amazing. Unfortunately, quite expensive, so I don't always have it. My skin desperately needs it right now. And the other 2 things that I desperately needed was my mascara and my mascara primer, both by Lancome. So I've been using this mascara and this mascara primer since I was a teenager. I'm absolutely obsessed with this stuff, you guys. The mascara is even good without the primer, but the primer really just gives it an extra oomph, and I have used this primer with other mascaras as well. It's just so good. The heavenly combo. I get it in the color Deep Black, which is darker than just a regular black. It is extra black. I want it extra dark, extra black, extra intense. This is good, amazing. the best. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Peel. I feel like I have my food in the oven and I think it might be burning, so let me go check on that. I'm gonna come right back. I was correct, my food is burning, my dinner is on fire, but I turned the oven off and I'm gonna go eat after this. This stuff is so good and it's so high quality. It should be for the price. So I'll use it a couple of times a week, like once every other day. For any texture, which I do unfortunately get a lot of texture on my skin because of wearing a mask. If you guys watch my vlogs, you already know the mask have been destroying my skin. This is gonna fix everything. I just know it. I've missed this stuff, so I'm really happy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Having the camera at that angle is giving me just the worst double chin. I have the camera under me. It's a bad look for a good angle. Anyway, I hope the entire vlog doesn't have like my chin looking like this. I hope it's not looking like that the entire vlog, like it was in that last clip. So if it is, sorry, I'm still learning my angles with this new camera and this new camera equipment. Thank you so much for watching a few days of my life in New York City, and I will be back with a new video in a flash. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.